How to cure erectile dysfunction naturally. Erectile dysfunction, ED, can be a challenging and sensitive issue for many men, affecting not just their physical health, but also their emotional well-being and relationships. While medical interventions are available, many individuals are interested in exploring natural methods to address this condition. If you're looking to understand how to cure erectile dysfunction naturally, this guide offers insights and practical strategies to help improve your situation without relying solely on medications. Understanding erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction involves difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection adequate for sexual performance. It's a multifaceted issue influenced by both physical and psychological factors. Physically, conditions like heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and hormonal imbalances can impede blood flow or nerve function, leading to ED. Psychologically, stress, anxiety, and depression can also play significant roles. Often, a combination of these factors is at play, making it essential to understand your unique situation. Lifestyle choices such as smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and lack of physical activity can exacerbate ED. Additionally, certain medications, including those for high blood pressure or depression, may contribute to the condition. Identifying these underlying causes requires a thorough evaluation, which may include medical tests and consultations with healthcare providers. Hormonal imbalances, particularly low testosterone levels, can also contribute to ED. Testosterone plays a crucial role in sexual desire and function, and deficiencies can lead to reduced libido and erectile difficulties. Assessing and addressing hormonal health is a critical component of managing ED naturally. Mental health is another vital aspect. Psychological factors such as performance anxiety, stress related to work or personal life, and unresolved emotional issues can significantly affect erectile function. Mental health professionals can offer therapies and techniques to manage these psychological contributors effectively. Lastly, understanding that ED is a common and treatable condition can alleviate some of the emotional burden. Many men experience ED at some point, and seeking help is a proactive step toward improving both physical and emotional health. A comprehensive approach that addresses both the physical and psychological aspects is often the most effective way to manage erectile dysfunction naturally. Healthy diet and nutrition. A healthy diet plays a significant role in managing erectile dysfunction. Prioritizing nutrient-rich foods can boost cardiovascular health, which is vital for maintaining strong erections. Aim to consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Foods rich in antioxidants, like berries and dark leafy greens, help reduce inflammation and support blood vessel health. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish such as salmon and mackerel, are beneficial for improving circulation. Including nuts, seeds, and legumes in your diet can provide essential vitamins and minerals that promote vascular health. Foods like avocados, olive oil, and nuts are high in healthy fats, which can improve cholesterol levels and further support heart function. Reducing the intake of processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats is crucial for preventing obesity and other conditions that may exacerbate ED. Staying hydrated is another important aspect of a healthy diet. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain overall health and can positively affect sexual function. Limiting caffeine and sugary drinks is advisable, as they can contribute to dehydration and other health issues. Incorporate foods that are known to enhance nitric oxide production, such as beets, garlic, and watermelon. Nitric oxide is essential for blood vessel dilation, which is necessary for achieving and maintaining an erection. Additionally, spices like ginger and turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties that can support overall health. Eating smaller, balanced meals throughout the day can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent energy crashes. Balancing protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in each meal ensures a steady supply of energy and nutrients. By focusing on a well-rounded, nutritious diet, you can address some of the underlying factors that contribute to erectile dysfunction and improve your overall health. Regular exercise. Physical activity is a powerful tool in combating erectile dysfunction naturally. Engaging in regular exercise enhances blood flow, reduces stress, and can boost testosterone levels, all of which are beneficial for erectile health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise each week, combined with strength training exercises. Activities like walking, swimming, and cycling can improve cardiovascular health, while weightlifting helps increase muscle mass and improve overall body composition. Exercise also aids in weight management, which is important since obesity is a significant risk factor for ED. In addition to improving physical health, regular exercise has positive effects on mental well-being. It can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, which are often associated with erectile dysfunction. Physical activity triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, contributing to a more positive outlook and reduced stress levels. Pelvic floor exercises, also known as Kegel exercises, can specifically target the muscles involved in sexual function. Strengthening these muscles can enhance erectile strength and endurance, making them a valuable addition to your exercise routine. Consistently practicing these exercises can lead to noticeable improvements in sexual performance. Staying active can also promote better sleep, which is crucial for overall health and hormonal balance. Establishing a routine that includes both aerobic and strength training exercises can create a balanced approach to physical fitness. By incorporating regular exercise into your lifestyle, you can address multiple underlying factors that contribute to erectile dysfunction, thereby improving your overall health and quality of life. Stress reduction techniques. Managing stress is crucial for improving erectile dysfunction, as chronic stress can hinder sexual performance. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, leading to better sexual health. Practices such as yoga and meditation have been shown to promote relaxation and mental clarity. Yoga not only improves flexibility and physical strength, but also helps in calming the mind through controlled breathing and mindfulness. Similarly, meditation techniques, including mindfulness and deep breathing exercises, can reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. Mindfulness meditation, in particular, involves focusing your attention on the present moment, which can help in alleviating anxiety and improving erectile function. Additionally, deep breathing exercises can activate the body's relaxation response, slowing the heart rate and lowering blood pressure, both of which can contribute to better sexual performance. Another effective technique is progressive muscle relaxation, where you tense and then slowly release different muscle groups in your body. This method can help in identifying and reducing physical tension caused by stress. Spending time in nature, engaging in hobbies, or practicing other forms of self-care can also provide relief from daily stressors. If stress and anxiety are persistent, it may be beneficial to seek professional help. Therapists specializing in cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, can offer strategies to manage negative thought patterns and reduce anxiety. Addressing the root causes of stress through therapy can lead to lasting improvements in both mental health and sexual function. Incorporating these stress reduction techniques into your lifestyle can create a more relaxed state of mind, which is conducive to overcoming erectile dysfunction naturally. Herbal supplements and natural remedies. Several herbal supplements and natural remedies have shown promise in treating erectile dysfunction. However, it's crucial to approach these options with caution and consult with a healthcare provider before trying them. Ginseng, for instance, is believed to enhance nitric oxide production and improve blood flow. L-arginine, an amino acid, may also help by boosting nitric oxide levels and facilitating better circulation. Pomegranate juice, known for its antioxidant properties, can support vascular health, which is essential for maintaining erections. Ginkgo biloba is another herb thought to increase blood circulation, potentially aiding those with ED. Mega root, a Peruvian plant, has been traditionally used to enhance libido and sexual function. Tribulus terrestris, often found in testosterone-boosting supplements, is another herb that may help improve sexual performance and satisfaction. While these natural remedies can be beneficial, their efficacy and safety can vary from person to person. Some supplements may interact with medications or have side effects, making it essential to discuss their use with a healthcare provider. Additionally, these remedies should be considered as part of a comprehensive approach to treating ED, which includes lifestyle changes and other natural strategies. This video is for educational purposes only. Consult your healthcare provider with any health concerns.